This is Little Fleck's dog and the world's most vicious dog, Junior, Cane Corso. He's been in movies, he's famous. Alex is going to pet his testicles.
No,
They're
not.
nice and furry. Alright, Alex, this is your chance to go viral.
I'm not going to pet your dog's balls.
You can go viral, you got 10 seconds,
I don't care if it's
just
gonna
do
be
it.
viral.
Imagine how famous you'll be if you just
I'm
do
not
it.
going to be famous.
This will get 1 million views in one day, I
Hey,
swear.
that's the guy that pets your dog's balls.
That's the guy that pets your dog's balls.